Chamomile is a well-known and widely used herb in traditional and modern medicine, celebrated for its calming and healing properties. Belonging to the Asteraceae family, chamomile has been utilized for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, ranging from digestive issues to skin conditions. There are two primary types of chamomile: German chamomile, Materia Medica, and Roman or English chamomile, Chamomile nobile. They both have similar uses. This video will look into the cultivation, identification, and medicinal uses of chamomile, highlighting its benefits and potential precautions. Growth and habitat. Chamomile is an annual, German, or perennial Roman herb that thrives in temperate climates. It prefers well-drained sandy soils and full sun, but can tolerate partial shade. German chamomile, annual, grows to about 1–2 feet tall, while Roman chamomile, perennial, is shorter, forming a creeping mat about 1 foot tall. Both types are commonly found in fields, gardens, and along roadsides. Identification. Chamomile plants have feathery, finely divided leaves and small daisy-like flowers with white petals surrounding a yellow central disc. German chamomile's flowers are slightly larger and more conical, while Roman chamomile's flowers are flatter. The plants emit a sweet, apple-like fragrance, particularly when the flowers are crushed. Harvesting. Chamomile flowers are best harvested when they are in full bloom, typically in the early morning after the dew has evaporated. Use a pair of scissors or your fingers to snip the flower heads just below the base. Regular harvesting encourages more blooms and prolongs the flowering period. Difference between German chamomile and Roman chamomile. German chamomile, Materia Chamomile, an annual plant that grows up to 2 feet tall. It has a stronger, more potent aroma and is often preferred for medicinal use due to its higher concentration of beneficial compounds. Roman chamomile, Chamomile nobile, a perennial plant that forms a low-growing mat. It has a milder fragrance and is commonly used in lawns and ground covers as well as for medicinal purposes. Edible parts and uses. Both German and Roman chamomile flowers are edible and can be used to make herbal teas, infusions, and flavoring in foods. Chamomile tea is the most popular preparation, known for its mild, pleasant taste and soothing effects. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note that this video is intended for education use only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease or ailment. I recommend you consult a medical professional knowledgeable about complementary healthcare before trying anything new. The primary medicinal parts of chamomile are its flowers, which contain essential oils, flavonoids, and other compounds beneficial for health. Here's how chamomile can treat various ailments. Digestive issues and colic. Parts used: flowers. Preparation: tea or infusion. Use: chamomile tea can soothe the digestive tract, relieve gas, bloating, and indigestion. It is also effective in treating colic in infants due to its antispasmodic properties. Muscle aches. Parts used: flowers. Preparation: infused oil or topical cream. Use: chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate muscle aches and pains when applied topically. Insomnia. Parts used: flowers. Preparation: tea or essential oil. Aromatherapy. Use: drinking chamomile tea before bedtime can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Chamomile essential oil can be used in a diffuser to create a calming atmosphere. Eye wash and treating conjunctivitis, pink eye. Parts used: flowers. Preparation: infusion, cooled. Use: a cooled chamomile infusion can be used as an eye wash to treat conjunctivitis and pink eye due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Asthma, bronchitis, and whooping cough. Parts used: flowers. Preparation: tea or inhalation of steam. Use: chamomile tea can help soothe the respiratory tract, reduce inflammation, and ease symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and whooping cough. Inhaling chamomile steam can relieve congestion and allergies. Parts used: flowers. Preparation: tea or steam inhalation. Use: chamomile's anti-inflammatory effects help reduce nasal congestion and allergy symptoms. Drinking tea or inhaling steam can provide relief. Eczema. Parts used: flowers. Preparation: infused oil, cream, or bath. Use: chamomile's anti-inflammatory and soothing properties help treat eczema and other skin irritations. Topical applications or chamomile-infused baths can alleviate symptoms. Warnings. While chamomile is generally considered safe, some individuals may experience allergic reactions, especially those with allergies to other plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed, chrysanthemums, marigolds, and daisies. Symptoms can include skin rashes, itching, and respiratory issues. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare provider before using chamomile. Additionally, those on blood-thinning medications should use chamomile cautiously due to its potential anticoagulant effects. Chamomile is a versatile and valuable herb with a wide range of medicinal uses, from treating digestive issues to alleviating skin conditions. Understanding its growth, identification, and proper harvesting methods ensures the best use of this herb. While generally safe, it is essential to be aware of potential allergic reactions and consult healthcare professionals when needed. Chamomile's gentle yet effective properties make it a staple in herbal medicine, offering natural relief for many common ailments.